Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So, inshallah, we will continue with the next lesson. In this lesson, I want to give you a list. Now, there are more than 20 different forms of the broken plural, but I'm going to list some commonly provided examples and commonly used examples. And as you learn in the future to use the dictionary, you can have your own list and you'll recognize more forms, inshallah. So let's go with that. First one we already talked about was najmun, and the plural was singulars, then plural is nujumun. Okay. The second one is kitabun, and becomes kutubun. And you can see the differences are there, and I'll talk a little bit more about that later. Let me just give you the examples. Next one is jabalun, which is a mountain, and its plural is jibalun, word that's used many times in the Quran, mountains. The fourth example of a broken plural can be seen through the word tajirun, a businessman. So a businessman is going to be tujjarun. Tujjarun. Okay. Fifth example is qalamun, which is a pen, becomes aqlamun. Okay. Next one is zamilun, which is classmate. Or a colleague, and here it's zumala'u. Okay. And another one is sadiqun, a friend. Example is asdiqa'u. And the last one I will give you is akhun, brother, and plural is ikhwatun. For example, the Quran says, innamal mu'minuna ikhwa. Indeed, the believers are a brotherhood, or are brothers. So that's where now you find that the Quran will use many of these words, kutubun, nujumun, jibalun. This has been used, aqlamun, qalamun is used as well. And then that's inshallah ta'ala ikhwatun. So many of these words have been used, and you will find those examples in the Quran, inshallah. So now when you come across that, what does this help you to do? So if you come across a word and in the Quran, and you look at that word and you try to see if it fits in any of these patterns, until we learn more rules, you can start applying these patterns of the plurals to see if this word is fitting in plural pattern. And then this is an indication for you that this is a plural of a given word. So again, inshallah, more practice is needed, more knowledge of the rules is needed before all of this will come together as a nice package. But for the time being, in bite sizes as you learn, just absorb and understand what I just taught, and make sure you understand the concept, and we will go from there inshallah. Okay? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.